So my little Shelby, the little street dog from Spain, is now, after a few failed attempts, is now an adventure dog. She's got her own backpack. She's been running around camp without a lead, so the attachment is there. Oh, I dreamt of it being like this, and now it is. Perseverance and love. That's what she needed, and that's what she gets. She's amazing. This place is amazing, and she is going to see so many places like this. So I've selected my location carefully, no cliff. Some of you that know me personally will know that Shelby jumped off a 30-foot cliff a few months after I first got her. So this location was chosen for its beauty and its safety. Now I'm going to quickly go through some of the kit that I took on this trip that was a little bit extra. This chair is from Temu, the link is in the description. I'm 105 kilos and it's absolutely perfect for sitting in the woods, chilling out. Handles my weight really, really well. And I'm not rushing here, but it takes about 2 minutes to set up. So I'm going to be really warm tonight in my big down sleeping bag. And I've got this. It's the Strugi Adventure 750 fill down sleeping bag. You've slept in it once already, haven't you? Excited just to see it. It packs down to, it's not a toy, it's to keep you warm. She's very excited. I'm just going to throw this for her. Packs down to about 15, 17 centimetres long and about 10 to 12 centimetres wide and round. It's so light. And she loves it. She slept in it in December. It's got 4 straps around the side. You're not helping. 4 straps around the side. The lid pops off. And do you know what? I will use this in the summer. It's got like a Japanese sunset on the top. 200 gram fill weight. Let's get that inside, ready for a restful night's sleep. Yes, you. Yes. This is your bed. This is your bed. Oh, she's excited. It's only her 3rd time camping. She's doing well so far. You're doing well. You're doing very good tonight. No cliffs jumped off and you haven't ran away. Yes. You're doing very well. Next couple of items. One is the sleep mat. I've tested out so many sleep mats. The inflatable ones I like. I've had the foam ones, the expanding foam, and they're great, but a little bit heavy. So I'm trying to get my kit weight down. This is the Trekology sleep mat in combination with the Flex Tail inflator, not the Flexi Tail inflator. This is the Temu Flex Tail inflator. Blows the whole bed up in around a minute, and what the bonus there is you don't get all the moisture going inside from your breath. As well as stopping me getting puffed out, it's got 3 light modes on it. And it comes with all the accessories you'll need, or all the accessories that I found to blow up all the different valve types. Nice little bag, keeps it all in one place, nice for stashing. You going for a swim?
Yeah. Probably. If we can plug up the current.
It's due to get a bit, the last bit of sun, so that's the time to get dry. Camp is all set up and my followers will know I love a swim, and today I was feeling particularly griefy and just pretty terrible. So the plan was get dinner on the go, and I've got a lovely little thing to show you from Temu for what I cook my dinner on. Have a swim, have some tea, set up camp a little bit more. I'll go into that more later, and then get my head down for a good night's sleep in the woods. You coming in? Shelby, you coming in? Are you coming in? Hey? Is it a bit cold? It's alright. Good gal. And sit. So after Shelby joined us, we found out that she has leishmania or leishmania, and that means that there's lots of little parasites in your blood, doesn't it? So you have to have 2 tablets a day, and your mum has wrapped them up in corned beef for you, and that's why they went down so easily. Well done, good girl, all done, all finished. Meds run over. Good girl. So the light is starting to fade and it's time to get into bed. Now, even though I'm 6'3", male and very capable, I like to do a couple of little things just to add to my safety of a night time. So what I like to do is I add a couple of lights just scattered around the campground. One, so I can see if anything breaks that beam, or if I have to look out, I've just got a little bit of light to scan around. We're having a few teething problems, aren't we? It's alright. It's okay, isn't it? Hey? It's okay. Yeah. It's alright. It's just new, that's all. It's just new. Yeah. It'll be fine. We'll put a film on. We'll have some revels. I'll have some revels. You can't have revels. Alright, good girl. Lie down then. So me and Shelby got our heads down, had a fairly okay sleep in the woods, knowing that it's going to be a beautiful morning, and we're going to get up, have a little bit of exercise, and then get straight back in that water. Nothing like a cold water swim in the River Dart this time of year, just to bring the mood right back up. Ready? Come on in. Two swims, a gorgeous dinner, a lovely breakfast, a magical morning swim, and now it was time for me, after having the river all to myself, to leave it to the daytime people. Please consider subscribing and liking this video, and I would love you to add a comment. I reply to all the comments. See you again soon in another awesome location here in the UK.